Hello class and welcome to our presentation. We'll be teaching the class on the past subjunctive today. Remember how subjunctive is a mood and not a tense, but we're talking about the past tense of it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is present perfect. So there is a couple rules in present perfect. It is formed with the present subjunctive of haber, the verb haber, plus the past participle. So here are the forms. We got haya, hayas, haya, hayamos, hayis, and hayan. Also, it refers to an action that has occurred before the main verb. So I just want to do a couple examples real quick. So here we go. The present form. No creo que el padre gana la custodia. This means I do not believe the father is going to win custody, or is winning custody, or will win custody. And then here we go, the present perfect. No creo que el padre haya ganado la custodia. And this is saying I don't believe that the father has won custody. That's pretty much it for present perfect.
And then the imperfect subjunctive or the past subjunctive is introduced with a preterite imperfect conditional or past perfect verb in the independent clause. It's referring to a previous experience or an unlikely event or possibility. For forming imperfect subjunctive, the first step is to take the third person plural preterite, which on the T chart you're going to see is the bottom right hand corner. You're going to take that conjugation, you're going to drop the on off of that. So if it's aron, you're going to have ar left. If it's ieron, you're going to have ier left. And you're going to add the alternative endings, which is as, amos, ais, and an, which is your basic ar conjugations. An example to go into is el gerente dijo que ustedes asistiera. Asistiera is a verb that we change into the imperfect subjunctive. What we did here is we took the root asistir and we put it in the obviously third person plural preterite. We dropped the on and added a. And we have asistiera, and that means the manager said for you to attend. On to adjective clause.
Yeah, so now let's move into our clauses. The first is the adjective clause. And there is two rules in the adjective clause to decide if it is either subjunctive or indicative. The first rule is if the speaker has knowledge of what is happening, it is an indicative clause. And then if the second rule, if the speaker has no knowledge, previous experience or anything like that, then it is subjunctive. So here's just an example. La informática es una carrera que paga bien, and this is indicative. Computer science is a career that pays well. Pague bien. If we wanted to do a subjunctive, we could have said something like me interesa una carrera que pague bien. I'm interested in a career that pays well.
And on to the adverb clauses, it answers the question how, where, when, and why, and it's subordinate to the meaning clauses. In the adverb clauses, you have, if it's going to be subjunctive in the verb that you're using, it's going to talk about future or anticipated events, and if you're talking about the indicative, it's going to talk about the present and habitual. And an example of this, comprare acciones cuando bajen de precio. Your verb here is comprare, and because it's talking about a future anticipated event, it is going to be in the subjunctive, and it's I will buy stocks when the prices go down. So all in all, this is imperfect subjunctive and the present perfect subjunctive with adjective and adverb clauses. So thank you for listening.
Thank you.